Number 1, barbell curl, primarily target muscle bicep brachii. This is one of the most important exercise for the bicep muscle, in which you stand straight with your feet spread shoulder width apart, holding the barbell with an underhand grip at shoulder width. Curl the barbell toward your chest while keeping the elbow close to the body. Squeeze the biceps, then slowly lower it to the starting position. While maintaining this form, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 2, alternating dumbbell curl. Target muscle biceps, especially the targeting each arm individually. Stand straight, holding the dumbbell at your side in both hands according to your strength. Curl the one dumbbell toward your shoulder while rotating your wrist. Hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower the dumbbell to the starting position and repeat with the other hand. Do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Number 3, dumbbell hammer curl. Muscle work biceps and brachialis along with the forearms. Stand holding the dumbbell in both hands with neutral grip, with your palms facing each other. Curl the dumbbell together or alternately upward. Squeeze the biceps and forearms muscle, then slowly bring in the dumbbell down. Also do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 reps. Number 4, single arm cable push down. Target muscle triceps, focusing on each arm individually. In this, first of all stand near the cable machine and set the handle at highest position, holding the handle with one hand, keeping the elbow close to the body, and push the handle downward until your entire arms is straight. Then slowly return the handle to the starting position and repeat with the other hand. Using a light weight, do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Number 5, machine tricep dips. Primarily target triceps with secondary activation in the shoulder and chest muscle. This is a perfect exercise for beginner to hitting the tricep muscle. Sit on the dips machine, leaning slightly forward and hold the handle with both hands, keeping your elbow close to your body, and push the handle downward until your arm fully extended. Then hold it for a few seconds. Squeeze the triceps and slowly bringing the handle back to the starting position. Do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 reps. Number 6, cable curl crusher. This exercise focusing on the long head of the triceps. Lean on a flat bench in front of the cable machine and attach the straight bar or easy bar handle to the lowest lock of the cable machine and hold the handle with both hands above your chest, bending the elbow, slowly bringing the handle down toward your forehead and then lift it upward while squeezing the tricep muscle. To avoid elbow joint injury, you must control speed and select the right weight and do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetitions.